Hello everyone, this is the Analyst, and today we'll be learning how to use Marquee in Power BI with HTML content. Stay with me, and I will demonstrate this fantastic function step by step. The first step is to extract the HTML content visual from the visualization field. Step 2. Select the visuals icon to add it to your dashboard. Step 3. Create a new measure. And write the Marquee HTML code. Don't forget the attribute direction for text direction, the attribute scroll amount for text speed, the style attribute for design, and you can write your content between the Marquee tags. Step 4. Drag the Marquee measure to the values field on the HTML content visual. Well done, the Marquee is now ready. Let's take another example with a different text direction. Now that Episode 1 is complete, don't forget to subscribe and follow to receive Episode 2 on connecting the Marquee to your database.